Our next guest of honor is Dr. Gautam Patel. I would call upon Dr. Ridhima to escort Dr. Gautam Patel to the podium. In 1971, he started his practice in a rented place with a single chair and a few equipments. Today, Sir is one of the leading and the eminent practitioners of our city, with 5 dental chairs and 6 associate dentists. He is catering to the rich and powerful clientele of Ahmedabad. He has a vast clinical experience of 40 years and have many consulting specialists visiting his setup. Now I request Shri B.R. Agrawal sir to honor Dr. Gautam Patel with memento on behalf of Ahmedabad Dental College. Thank you, Agrawal sir. I would now request Dr. Gautam Patel to give a brief speech on how to run a successful urban dental practice. Sir, please.
Good evening, everybody. Mr. Chairman Agrawal Sahab, Chief Guest Brahmbhatt Sahab, Dean Dental College Dr. Mihir, dignitaries on dais, invited guests, colleagues, college staff and students. Thank you very much for honoring me and Dr. Diwan tonight. For the first time in history, such a function is organized by a private dental college to felicitate practicing dentists in Gujarat. I am sure such events will continue in the future for honoring other prominent dentists of Gujarat. In a short span of few years, Ahmedabad Dental College has reached a respectable level in education and other activities under the leadership of Dr. Mihir Shah. Today, dentistry is a matured and respected profession in India, as Dr. Diwan said. When we started our practice in 1971, it was a neglected branch of a medical profession. After 10 years of struggle by me and my fellow dentists and practitioners of Gujarat, we have achieved a value and proposition in the dentistry as a respected profession in our society. My sincere effort, capital and new material and technique has helped a lot to upgrade our practice. I started off as a solo practice, as she said, in 1971, and I ventured a different method in employing qualified dentists to work with me. This calculated risk proved to be a successful, after which I decided to employ specialized dentists, that is MDS doctors, endodontists, periodontists, orthodontists, implantologists, and couple more dentists to work with me. My family, and especially my wife, has been very supportive and helpful for office management duties. Corresponding bright future for a new graduate, please feel free to contact me for any assistance to establish your dental practice in Gujarat. I'll conclude by offering one suggestion to the management of this dental college. If the students who are doing their internship, if they get a chance to work with a private dental practice after completing their clinical hours in dental college, it will be a great help to those students who are completing their internship and going for a practice. I assure my help for such a project if it is accepted by the management and the college. Thanking you once again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.